Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Region Riches here. So today we're gonna go over the trades for RoundHill YBTC, and we'll see what they're gonna be estimated to pay out next week on the 26th. That's a Wednesday, or as we know, they're gonna declare out early on Tuesday after market close, and this is gonna be paid out on the 28th. All right, so I'm gonna try to go through this pretty quickly. So this is their synthetics. So their synthetics are driving me crazy right now. There's just a lot going on. Alright, so this big white block is right here for IBIT. No new contracts added, so that's good. So they just let this ride out until its death. Pretty much, so they had a 60 strike. It closed below our strike at 56.04. So that means we're taking a loss. Right now, we're taking a loss of 9.8 million. So this did expire, so we did realize this 9.8 million loss. If we go to BITOs, this big section here, same thing here, they just let it ride until death. So they expired under our strike, so 22.75 is our strike. It closed at 21.96. Scroll up here. So yeah, so we took a loss of almost 300,000 there. And then we also have, we scroll down, sorry for all the scrolling, but here, so this block here is the CBTX. So this is another synthetic that they had. They started this one last week. So they had a 2308 strike here, no added contract, so that's good. So let's see how that did here. So CBTX 2308 synthetic. Strike is 2308, and current price is 2334. So that's actually good. It went above our strike, so that means we're making money. So they have 47 shares. So right now this synthetic is up 123,000. So that's actually pretty good. So we made money on that one. So next they actually started a new synthetic. So we'll see that down here. So on the 19th and 20th they started a new synthetic. So this one, I didn't see a trade for the 21st, so maybe they took this off, or but yeah, I didn't see a trade for the 26th or for 21st. CBTX. Yeah, I don't see a trade for that. So I'm assuming they just let this run until death again, or they close it early, but we'll see what this is worth right now. So they had a 24.16 strike. I I'm kind of lost for words on why they chose a 24.16. That makes no sense to me at all. This is, so they sold it out of the money. Why would you sell, like, this is way above the current price. As far as I know, people or fund managers do synthetics at the money, which at the money at the time was 22.77, and these guys did it like 200 some dollars or $150 out of what? I don't know. That makes no sense to me. But doing that, they collected 370,000 and they let it ride until death. We can see that here. So they collected 370, 24.16 a strike, and prices below the strike at 23.34. 20 shares, and we took a loss. I have no idea why would you do this. But yeah, so the value in synthetics negative 163,000 total on all the synthetics. We are in the whole 8.3 million. So that, yeah, that hurts right there. So yeah, we definitely ate that loss. Short calls here. This is not too bad. So we'll go here. This is all of it right here. So we had a 23.95 strike for Bito. Sorry, it's not in order. For Bito, on Tuesday it opened at 22.40 and it closed at 21.96. So out of the money, that means we won. This is IBIT. I don't like how that one looks. There we go. IBIT, 58.50 strike. It opened on Tuesday at 54.90 and it closed at 53.92. So out of the money, so that's a win. And then their CBTX, they had a 24.39 strike. Tuesday it opened at 22.87 and it closed at 22.46. I wonder. Sorry, this is a win. Sorry about that. So yeah, they played this one super far out, 20 like $150 out of the money, or so. So yeah, triple win. So good job there. So let's see what we're gonna get paid. So we are gonna get paid 22 cents. So total gross premiums collected was 735,000. Outstanding shares of 3.4 million. So 22-cent dividend is what we are gonna be looking at. So kind of low in my opinion. I mean, they did some questionable moves there. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. All right, so let's look at the comparison charts here. So this is year to date, YBTC versus the competitors. So YBTC, IBIT is our underlying, or at least one of our underlying, since we have like 3 different synthetics going on. YBIT, BITL, Maxi, LFGY, and then CEPI. So winner so far, CEPI up 3.16. So that one is just killing everybody right now. I know it's not a pure Bitcoin play or like YBIT or YBTC, but I mean, I know people are gonna want to know. So CPI definitely killing it. I need to be adding more. To be honest, I'm not too happy with how YBTC has been. Yeah, those synthetics are questionable. I don't know why they sold it so far out when at the money probably would have been a lot better. So I mean, they took an intentional loss. In my opinion, that's what this would look like. So YBTC for me is on the chopping block. I do love weekly pay, but I don't know if it's worth it. So that's just my opinion. So yeah, so I'm gonna be on chopping block. So CPI, killing it. YBIT, even YBIT is killing it. 2.85. IBIT 1.64. YBTC, not even broken 1% yet. BITO 0.22. Maxi down, LFGY down, but I know LFGY hasn't been out that long. Let's go and see since their inception till 213. Let's go take a look at that. So 213 here, right? Actually, hold on. LFGY, they're still here. Is it 114? Let me check. Yeah, there it is. 114. So check. Since LFGY's inception, in my opinion, they're not doing that well. Yeah, LFGY is just bottom of the barrel right now. Yeah, no real reason for me to want to invest in LFGY right now. They're just not doing well. Even with those large distributions, this is total return, so they are just not doing well. CPI, where's CPI? Down 1.1. So not too bad. YBIT's the only one that's positive right now, so good job for YBIT. But this is since LFGY's inception. So right now, YBIT would have been a better investment than LFGY. So even YBTC is still a better one. Everything's better investment than LFGY. So those large payments, don't be fooled. You're just gonna get more NAV erosion with that one. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Let me know if you guys have YBTC on your chopping block. It definitely is for mine. All right. I'll catch y'all in the next one.